5-minute exercise snacks. Layered. Ooh, what does that mean? We are going to take our snacks and put them all together into something a little more substantial. We have learned some exercise snacks over the past 3 weeks. And if you want, check out some of my past videos, which will outline these snacks. And today, we're layering up the snacks. We are putting 3 snacks together to create a little bit more of a substantial workout. Now, as I said at the beginning, you can just do the first 5 minutes of this routine and work your way through the second and third stage. So I'm using my palms facing the ceiling as a way to imagine I'm pushing a weight. So that's one way you can start, is just doing active motions with intention, creating resistance. So here I'm opening and spreading apart, and then I'm squeezing a large ball. I'm pressing the water back. If you've ever been a swimmer, you know you need to use the resistance of the water. So you can imagine your arms pushing through the water, pressing out, and one more. Okay, so believe it or not, I feel a little bit warmer just from doing those types of things. Now, I've been doing these types of exercises literally for years. I'm not even joking. And these are the kind of exercises that they create the base to any workout. Because what do you need when you're moving? You need a strong core. And if you want to learn a little bit more about what is core, check out my video on abdominal and hip strength. And that is one of my 5-minute exercise snacks. Okay, okay, I can feel that. And if you need to break it down, drop the ribs, pull in the abs like you're pulling your belly button in, squeeze the buttocks, engage and lift. And the more you do these things, the faster your body can figure out what to do next. And what happens is everything becomes a little more efficient. And efficiency means you can probably go a little bit faster. And when you go faster, you're going to have more volume in your exercise. So that is one way to progress your strength or endurance. And potentially, depending on the speed you're going, it could increase the heart rate as well. And we're almost there. Let's go up. And 2. And 3. Finally, I'm counting. Yeah, because you know what? It's been almost 15 minutes. So you might want to keep it nice and precise by using timing, by counting, and keeping track, if you do use resistance, what resistance you've been using. Okay, we are there. Whew. So you can get to know the snacks, get to know the components, get to know the biomechanics, get to know how they feel, and then you take those little 5-minute bouts and you can put them all together. And lastly, on the cardio level, that would probably come as you get to know your own program well. You could change the pace of it. You might have to emphasize some of the more full body motions, like the squat using the legs and maybe adding some arms to it to get that heart rate up. So that's something that we're going to cover very soon. So don't miss out on that one. That one's going to be a good one. So I want you to follow me on Facebook, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. just so you don't miss any of these great new updates. Thanks for coming. Bye.